Okay, in boating, this is called the hole shot. What the heck was that? Something right in front of the boat made a big whoosh. I got it, whatever it was, on camera. The sound, anyway. No, it just made a big whoosh. It probably was. Okay, as I started to say, in boating, this is called the hole shot. You're moving along at an idle, which is right now 1.8 to 2.2, 2 mile an hour. And I'm going to floor it. And watch what happens. Boy, there's that flying their little wings off, ain't they? It's funny, these birds love to fly in front of boats. Well, I think I hit their top speed.